Okay, to begin with, we need 150 grams of sugar and 2 tablespoons of orange zest. Mix them together with your fingers until the color is uniform and the sugar feels like wet sand. Add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. "100 grams of melted butter. "75 milliliters of freshly squeezed orange juice. "150 grams of Greek yogurt. Add 250 grams of all-purpose flour. And 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Okay, now that we've added all the ingredients, it's time to mix them together. Transfer the mix into a baking tray lined with parchment paper. The mix is too thick to flow, so you'll need to spread it in the tray. Transfer it to an oven, preheated to 170 degrees Celsius for about 40 minutes. When cooked, remove from the oven and let it cool down. This cake is delicious as is, but if you want to make it look and taste even better, a glaze is the way to go. For the glaze, you'll need 150 grams of powdered sugar. Half a tablespoon of lemon juice. tablespoons of orange juice. A bit of orange zest. Give it a good mix and spread it on top of the cake. If you're feeling extra fancy, add a few slices of orange on top of the glaze. Allow the glaze to set. Cut and enjoy.